How to play Rainbow Six Siege with PC and PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to play Rainbow Six Siege across platforms, especially how crossplay and cross progression work between PC and PS5. Let's make simple and quick. Let's get started. Section 1. Can you play between PC and PlayStation 5? First, let's talk about crossplay. PC and PS5 players cannot play together. Crossplay is only available between PlayStation consoles, PS4 and PS5, or between Xbox consoles. So if you're on a PC and your friend is on PS5, you cannot join the same match. Ubisoft limits crossplay to avoid unfair competition between mouse and keyboard and controllers. Section 2. Cross progression setup. But you can use the same Ubisoft account to share your progress across PC and PS5. Here's how to set up. 1. Go to ubisoft.com and log in. 2. Click your profile icon and go to Account Management. 3. Under Linked Accounts, connect your PlayStation and PC accounts. 4. Once linked, your operators, skins, and progress will be synced automatically. 5. This works both ways. You can switch between platforms freely. Section 3. How to play with friends. If you want to play with friends, remember, PC players can only play with other PC players. PS5 players can only match with PS4 and PS5 players. You can still use Discord or another voice chat app to talk while playing separately. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to crossplay and cross progression work in Rainbow Six Siege between PC and PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.